we've been talking about Charlie Parker and kind of his use of devices that he uses over 251s mostly. And I wanted to share actually something a little different. This is all over one chord, which is kind of useful, I think. So this is all over A dominant 7. And this would be a really good one to put into several keys, maybe. Just an idea, or you know, maybe you want to. Maybe a good idea would be to take a line like this and try it in a few different keys by ear, and we can talk a little bit about that, about a process to get to that. So let's just analyze what we got going on here. First, he's got flat 7, 1, 9, flat 13, 13, or 6, back to the 1, flat 7, and 13 here. Then he's got 5, 11, 3, 9, and back to flat 13 here, 3, flat 9, and sharp 9. So again, he's using all of these extensions on the chord. It's really, really cool. And yeah, let me just play that for you, or else I'll do my best to play it for you here. So. And then maybe it would go to D dominant 7. So maybe we'll add just an E right here, and this would be going to D7. So he's approaching the 9 there. I think that's what he actually does. But it sounds good anyway. So so maybe you want to add that to part of the line. Very cool. Okay, so and then how are you going to learn this by ear? What I would do is I would start just figuring out the interval relationship between each note. So in this one, you've got a whole step, and in this one you've got another whole step. What do you have here? B to F. That's down a flat, a flat fifth or a tritone. Then you've got a half step up to F sharp. You've got a half step. So you just keep working in small chunks, 2 whole steps, down a minor fifth, or down a flat fifth and up a half step, etc., etc. So that would be one way to try to play a few things in some different keys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like these videos. Please subscribe or leave a comment if you like. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.